Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and set up OpenCode with Ollama on your Windows operating system. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can set up the OpenCode, and then we are going to see how we can set up the Ollama. And then in the end, I'm going to show you how you can use the Ollama models in your OpenCode. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for OpenCode. And the first link which will appear here will be from opencode.ai. So we are going to click on this link. And on this home page, you can see this line at the top, which says desktop app available in beta on macOS, Windows, and Linux. So first of all, we are going to download the desktop version. Also, after the desktop version, we are going to install the terminal version or terminal user interface version using this command. So first of all, let's click on this download now button, which is going to redirect us to this page from where you can click on this download for Windows button, which is going to start the download of this executable file. So let's wait for the download to finish. And once this executable file is downloaded, let's click on this executable file and let me minimize the browser. And first of all, I can see this message which says Windows protected your PC. Microsoft Defender Smart Screen prevented an unrecognized app. So I'm going to click on more info here, and then I'm going to click on run anyway. And this is going to start the setup of OpenCode. So at this window, I'm going to click on next here. This will be the location where OpenCode will be installed on your Windows operating system. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and then click on next. And once you click on next, it's going to start the installation of OpenCode on your Windows operating system. And once this is finished, you can see installation complete. At this point, we are going to click on the next button. And on this next window, you can see this run OpenCode checkbox is checked. And also this create desktop shortcut option is checked. We are going to leave both options as checked and click on finish, which is going to launch OpenCode on our Windows operating system. And now I can see the simple user interface for OpenCode. Now, first of all, before starting anything, I'm going to click on the settings option. And from here, I can change the appearance and do some more settings. So as you might see, the appearance is the system appearance for now. So I'm going to make it dark here. And then the theme here, you can select from many themes which are available here. For now, I'm going to leave it as OC1 here. You can also change the font from here, but I'm going to leave it as it is. Now in OpenCode under settings, you can also configure your providers and models. So when you click on providers, you can see all these providers here which are listed. So OpenCode has its own providers like OpenCode Zen or OpenCode Go, but you can also connect with the frontier models providers like Anthropic or GitHub Copilot, OpenCode, Google, and so on, right? So from here, when you click on connect, you will be able to connect to those providers, and then you will be able to choose the models. Now, under the models section, you will see all these models which are available. So right now, Big Pickle and Minimax M2.5 is available, and this version is free, you can see. Now let's also install the terminal user interface version. So I'm going to go to the main homepage of opencode.ai. So for installing terminal user interface of OpenCode on your Windows operating system, I generally like this command, which is the npm command. Now, for this, you need to have Node.js installed on your Windows operating system. So, if you don't have Node.js, just install it. If you don't know how to install Node.js, I have already created a video on this, and I'm going to put the link of that video in the description so that you can install and set up Node.js. And once you have Node.js, you can go to this option which says npm, And then I'm going to copy this command, and then let's open the command prompt. So let me search for command prompt. And once you see this result, which says command prompt, run it as administrator. So I'm going to click on run as administrator here. And once this command prompt open, I'm going to give this command and then press enter, which is going to start the installation of this npm package. And once this npm package is downloaded, I can simply write open code on my command prompt and then press enter. And once I press enter, it's going to open the terminal user interface like this, right? So this interface is similar to graphical user interface. So here you can see the build mode and the model and the provider, right? So to change the mode, I can press tab key, and when you press tab key, you can see it's changing or toggling between plan and the build mode. So now let's see how we can install Ollama on our Windows operating system so that we can configure it with the OpenClaw. So just go to your favorite browser and search for Ollama. And the first link which will appear here will be from ollama.com. So we are going to click on this link, and here you will see the PowerShell command which you can use to install Ollama on your Windows operating system. But also there is the executable file download option which is available just under this command. So you can see this link. I'm going to click on this link, which is going to download the executable file directly, so you don't need the PowerShell command. Right here, choose the operating system and then click on the download for Windows option here. So let's click on the download for Windows option, which is going to start the download of this executable file, which is around 1.2 gigabyte at the time of making this video. So let's wait for this download to finish. And once this executable file is downloaded, I'm going to click on this file and let me minimize this browser, and it's going to start the setup for Ollama. So you can see this first setup window here. I just need to press on this install button, which is going to start the installation of Ollama on my Windows operating system. So let's wait for this progress bar to reach to the 100% mark, and then Ollama will be installed on our Windows operating system. So now I can see that Ollama is installed on my Windows operating system, and it's going to open this kind of Ollama interface, right? So the installation is also going to install this kind of graphical user interface where you can find your favorite models, and some of these models are cloud-based models. So you can see all these models here, and you can see cloud icon in front of these. So some of these models are cloud models, some of these models you need to download locally, and then you will be able to run these models on your Windows operating system, right? So here I'm going to select one of these models. So let's say I select this DeepSeek model for now, which is a cloud based model. And as soon as I choose the model, I need to sign in with my Google account or GitHub account, or I can create an account in Ollama. So just click on the sign in button. So let's sign in to our Ollama account. I'm going to use my Google account to sign in to Ollama. And then once I signed in, I can press on this connect button, which is going to show me this message which says device connected successfully. This means I can start using the Ollama command. So for example, if I give write a C++ hello world program, it's going to give me this kind of response here, right? So once you have OpenCode and Ollama installed on your Windows operating system, let's go to the ollama.com website, and here on the main page just click on models here, and from models you can choose the models which you want to use, right? So let's say if I want to use this Minimax M2.5, I can just click on this model here. And once I open this model page, so you can see the URL here is ollama.com / library / the model name, which is Minimax hyphen M2.5 for this model, right? So you can see to run this model with OpenCode, this command is already available. So this is the command which says Ollama launch OpenCode hyphen model hyphen minimax hyphen 2.5 cloud, right? So this is the cloud version. Similarly, you can also use the local version, right? So you can download any local models and then you can use them. So the command is this one, which is Ollama launch OpenCode. And then if you also want the model name, you can give the model name using the flag hyphen model and the model name. For now, we are going to use this command, which is Ollama launch OpenCode, and we will see many options for choosing the model. So let's run this command, which is Ollama launch model. So for this, I'm going to open the command prompt. Let's search for command prompt and then open it as the administrator. And here I'm going to just paste this command, which is Ollama launch OpenCode, and then press enter. And you can see when I give this command, I can see all these models which are recommended and all the other models which I have used earlier with Ollama. For now, I want to use the Minimax 2.5 uh, cloud model. So I'm going to choose this model and then press enter, which is going to give me this kind of option. Now, this is very important step here. So you can see my configuration will be written at this place. So it says backups will be saved at this place. And then this will modify your open code configuration, and this configuration will be at this place. So just remember this, and if you want to change the model configuration, you can go to this location and change the configuration. So just select the yes option and then press enter here, which is going to launch OpenCode with the Minimax 2.5 cloud model here. You can see now it's running, and this model is coming from the Ollama. You can see this Ollama local is selected. Also, when you open the OpenCode the desktop version, so let's open it. I'm going to just type OpenCode here, and once the OpenCode desktop version opens, I can go to the settings option here. So click on settings and then click on providers, and you can see under connected provider, I can see this Ollama here, which is the local provider, right? So we are connected to the Ollama, which is running on our PC. And when you go to the models, you will be able to see the model under Ollama, which is Minimax 2.5 cloud version. That means I can use this version, which is based on Ollama in my open code, right? So when I open any folder here, so let's open one of the folder, let's say demo folder. So now once this folder opens, I can switch to the Ollama model, which is Minimax M2.5 hyphen cloud. And from here also, I can just give any command and use the Ollama model. So I can just write give the specs of this PC, for example, and let's see what it gives us. Now I can see the specs of this PC. So you can see all the specs here. Similar kind of command I can give on my terminal user interface. So give the specs of this PC and then press enter, and it's going to also find out those specs and give me the specs here in the terminal user interface itself, right? So whatever flavor you prefer, terminal user interface or the desktop version, both are available, and you can configure Ollama models with those open code flavors, right? So that's it for this video. This is how you can set up the Ollama models with your open code on your Windows operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.